Weather and climate. Definition of weather and climate. Weather is an air condition at any given moment in certain areas that are relatively narrow and at short period of time. The weather is formed from a combination of weather elements, and the weather time frame can be only a few hours. For example, in the morning, during the day, or in the afternoon, and the circumstances can vary for each place and every hour, while the climate is an average weather condition within a year. That the investigation is carried out over a long period of time at, at least 13 years and covers a larger area. Weather and climatic elements. There are several elements that affect the weather and climate states of an area or region, namely temperature or air temperature, air pressure, wind, humidity, and rainfall. Here is an example. Definition. Here is example of the elements. Temperature or air temperature. The temperature of the air is a degree of heat from the activity of molecules in the atmosphere or air arising from the radiation of the sun's heat received by the air. Air pressure. In addition to temperature or air temperature, the other elements of weather and climate are air pressure. Air pressure is a force that arises due to the weight of the air layer. The amount of air pressure in each place at some point is fixed. The higher a place from sea level, the lower the air pressure. This is due to the recording air pressure. The amount of air pressure is measured by a barometer and expressed by millibars. Air pressure can be distinguished into three grades, namely: 1. High air pressure more than 10, 1013; 2. Low air pressure less than 1013; and 3. Pressure at sea level equal to 1013. Wind. Wind is air that moves from a high pressure area to a low pressure area. There are several important things to know about the wind, which include: 1. Wind speed, 2. Wind strength, 3. Wind direction, 4. Assorted winds. Humidity. Air moisture is the amount of moisture cont- contained in the air mass at certain times and place. Rainfall. Rainfall is the amount of rain that falls an area within certain time. Climate definition. The climate in area closely related to the location of its latitude and altitude on the face of the earth. Based on the location of the latitude and altitude, the climate can be distinguished into two kinds, namely the climates of the sun and the climates of physics. 1. Solar climate. The sun's climate is based on the amount of sunlight received by the Earth's surface. The sun climate conference some of the following: 1. Tropical climates, 2. Subtropical climates, 3. medium climates, and 4. Cold climates. 2. Climate species. What is climate of species? The climate of species is according to the circumstances or the actual fact in a region of the earth as a result of the influence of the natural environment contained in the region. Some climates are classified into physics climates, among others: 1. Sea climates, 2. Land climates, 3. Highland climates, 4. Mountain climates, 5. Climates of the season. The role of climates and weather for life. Please note that climates and weather are one of the factors that are very important for human life. Because climate has a big role to play in life, such as in agriculture, transportation, telecommunication, and tourism. To find or what role is given can be read the following description: 1. The role of climate in agriculture. 2. The role of climate transportation. 3. The role of climate in telecommunication. And the last 4. The role of climate for tourists. And then the last, climate change. Tenbeard, Houghton and Philho, 1999 define, and Hildayanti, 2001, on climate change that is embodied or indirectly by changing human activity, which will change the climate observed over a considerable period. According the Effendi 2001, one ways in the climates of the El Nino and La Nina phenomena. The El Nino phenomenon will the two now here rainfall will below normal for some areas of Indonesia. On the other hand, the district and the time of the La Nina phenomenon. Thanks.